Hi all, this is my first video for Excel tutorial. I think there are a lot of people who wanted to learn Excel and for data analysis purpose and for other purpose as well. So I mean, so I just started this tutorial channel and hope you like it. So today, my first video, I want to show you how to use the VLOOKUP. That's a really great feature where you can use data analysis or maybe for other purpose as well. So let's see how to do that. Uh, so I just show you how I can do that. Okay, so I'm just taking some dummy data here. First I will show you how to do the VLOOKUP within the spreadsheet. I'll just tell you what exactly the spreadsheet is. So right now the screen you are looking at, that's called spreadsheet. Okay, and you can see that these are tabs: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So these are the tabs. There are multiple spreadsheet within the workbook. So this is one workbook. So we can do VLOOKUP within the spreadsheet, across the worksheets, and across the workbook as well. Now, uh, I'll just tell you how to use this VLOOKUP. So first I will start with the basic VLOOKUP formula. Then later in my videos I will show you how to use the VLOOKUP in a complex way as well, to to get some information in some other ways as well. So let's start with some basic VLOOKUP. Suppose we have the list of the name. You can see that the first column, and in front of that there is a column of city. Okay, so suppose I have a name column, say Ram, and say Neha, and this is city column, and I want their respective cities e- in front of these names. So how to do that? Okay, so here it starts equal to. So every formula starts with the equal to VL. Now you can see that Excel has already given the suggestion of, okay, I want to write down VLOOKUP. So as soon as you get this only one option, just press tab. So you can see that immediately VLOOKUP has written. I mean, you know how to write everything. Now you can see that some suggestion has come up, like after we lookup value, how this formula goes actually. So lookup value, what I'm looking for, I'm looking for Ram. For which I'm looking for Ram. Okay, this is a name I'm looking for, comma. Then you can see that after comma, this is bold down. Table array is from where you want the information. So this is the area I want need the information. But which column shall I select, or what, how much I can select it? So how to come to know? So first of all, understand that I'm looking for a name, right? I'm looking for a name. So name column is in A, but what I'm looking for, I'm looking for city, right? So I have to select both columns. Okay, once I have selected these two columns, now suppose uh, now this, if I put the comma and there is a column index number. Now it's asking for column index number, means what is the number of the column which you need the information. So I'm looking for information of city, which comes on the second column, means in selection range it comes on the second, right? This is one, a column is one, b column is a two. Okay, and I'm looking for city actually, so two comma 0 is default. Why I'm saying default, because in my first video I'm just showing the some very basic VLOOKUP. So take it as a 0 as a default and press enter. Now you can got, you have already saved this city right in front of that name. Now you just copy this formula and put here. Now you can see that we got the information for both name, right? Now there is another thing as well. In this video only I just tell you one more thing here. While doing this selection range A1 B7, you can see that, okay, why there is a feature of freezing the selection range as well. Why we are doing freezing? The freezing is that, suppose again if I put ram and if I copy this formula and if I paste here, so do you think that I will get the correct value? See, you can see that it's coming hash n. Means why? It came here but it didn't come here. The reason is that if I double click in this formula, you can see the selection range has gone down, because this selection was not freezed. okay, at the initial stage itself. So how to do that? So let me write this formula again, and I will show you how to freeze this. I'm going one by one, like a step by step, in a advanced manner. Now we look up. First I showed you that how to write the formula first at a basic level. Okay, we look up. My selection range was this comma, this is my selection. So this is my selection. Okay, I have not write it down comma now, but before of that, as soon as you selected this, press F4 in keyboard. Okay, as soon as you press the key F4, now you can see that there's a dollar icon has come into the range. It means it has freeze the column, is freeze the rows, so it means it's intact. Comma 2 comma 0. Okay, I put this formula. Now you can see the value has come, but if you copy this formula and paste again into hash na, now this value will come. Why? Because the value has freezed. Even if I put here, or maybe somewhere here in Excel, and if I copy this formula in front of that, this value will come. Why? Because the range is freezed. Can I see this? Yes. So this is how you can do the VLOOKUP. It's very simple VLOOKUP formula. Need not to worry about that. In my next video, I will show you how to do VLOOKUP with multiple worksheets or multiple workbooks. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe and like it.